Hello everybody, my name is Renee Lemon and I'm the Master Gardener Coordinator for UG Extension in Cobb County. Today I am with Julie Phillips. She is a Master Gardener in Cobb County and we're going to look around her yard and we're going to talk about landscape design.
I have been a Master Gardener since 2016 and we purchased this house in 2009, and so the first few years I didn't really know what I was doing, but we have come a long way since then. After the program, I learned a lot of techniques.
How often does your landscaper come to mow and prune and plant all of your containers and that kind of thing?
The landscaper comes every day. It's me and my husband. We do all this ourselves, and I'm trying to get away from pruning because I don't like to prune, but there's some things that are existing here and well established, so I'm working with that.
Good. Well, I can't wait to walk around and you show me some things. The first thing we're going to talk about is drainage.
So here's a French drain. And then the sump pump is right here. That takes this out to the front area and drains out there.
Got it. Okay, so we talked about drainage. Now we're going to talk about sun versus shade. Julie, I think you have a story for us.
Yes, I do, unfortunately. This area here was shade from the beginning of time, and we had 8 pine trees cut down because they had the southern pine beetle, and now it's a sunny area for the most part. So this is a project that I'll be working on over the next couple of years to define this landscape in a new way.
So Julie, we're going to talk about plants that are existing in the landscape, what to keep, what to replace. Can you tell me what was original in this landscape and then what you have replaced?
All that you just saw was existing, and then we've replaced everything across all this foundation planting all the way to the other giant holly at the other end. Okay, come on. So here's our backyard. We have a cooking area over to the side, but even though there's a lot of hardscape here, there's still areas to make it beautiful. Nobody wants to see a pool pump or hear it. So here's all of our equipment back here.
Wow, that is the perfect place for that.
So I landscaped around it, so from the garden you don't really see it. So I want to show you one more thing, because I have to have somewhere to do these pots. But here's my potting bin.
Oh wow! I didn't even see that. It was so hidden. And there's your trash can.
I do my potting here. I've got my trash, my recycling, and this is the cardboard that I recycle to put under the pine straw and mulch.
At Julie's house, we talked about drainage. We talked about sun and shade. We showed you the soil conditions in her perennial bed. We also talked about the existing plants and structures in the hardscapes. We showed you her public area, we showed the private area in her backyard, and we showed the service area. I hope you enjoyed it.